Looks like we're going to finally clear out from our daily storms the beginning of next week. Over to you guys.
All right, appreciate it.
Thank you so much. All right, well, Memorial Day honors Americans who have died, of course, in service to our country. We already did this one.
Nope.
Nope.
We went through all the stats, didn't we?
We went through all the stats.
We did.
Here we go.
All right.
No, we already did that.
You did this too? Oh, Memorial Day sales. Wait a minute. So Amy's here. Hold on a minute.
All right, it's
Amy's
time to
over
talk
here.
to Amy. She's got a lot of
I'm
deals,
ready.
of course.
I know.
Let me find Amy's page.
We apologize.
All right, thanks a lot. That's okay.
We're
Hey,
sleep deprived because of the storms.
and most people at home are kind of wiping the sleep out of their eyes right now. Anyway, it's all right. No, we're talking about Memorial Day sales, and there are a lot of them this holiday. But before we get there, we want to talk about Chipotle.
Okay, this is the right place.
This is the right place. Hey, so you know they were hacked. This isn't a new hack, but we've got new details into the hack from the spring. The company now says it was around 2,200 restaurants that were included in this attack.
Yeah.
They say the hackers targeted customers between March 24th and April 18th. The crooks stole data including credit card numbers, expiration dates, and verification codes. And now the restaurant chain has released a database that tells you exactly which locations were involved in the attack. It's searchable. So we checked. There are 27 Houston area locations on that list. Unfortunately, both of mine near my house and work. So if you visit Chipotle often, if you find your location on the list, you can check it against your credit card statement. Obviously, you want to keep an eye on your bank statements for any suspicious activity. All right, if you've been waiting to try music streaming service, Google has an offer right now that you can't beat. Sign up for $9.99 a month and you can get the first 4 months for free. Nice. You'll have access to 35 million songs from Google Music's library, custom radio stations with no advertising. So no word on how long this promotion will run, but it's going on right now. You have access to those 35 million songs. You can go check it out. All right, Memorial Day sales are a thing. You can score some great deals for real today, but Market Watch warns some items will not be at their lowest prices this week, even if the seller claims they're on sale. Those products not to buy on Memorial Day include cars. They say wait until at least July when dealerships are making room for newer models. You'll find lower prices on laptops closer to when back to school sales start. Some TVs will be discounted today and this week, but Deal News says those will be older models with fewer bells and whistles. And if you're looking for power tools, here's a hint. Just wait for Father's Day in June. That's when you're going to find the best deals on those items.
So it's one thing to hear about a sale. It's another thing to get like the bargain bottom basement price.
Yeah, exactly. Typically right now we see mattresses on good sales and clothes.
Yay!
So go shopping.
Don't have to tell me